आज हम आपको कोनिक सेक्शन का तीसरा पार्ट बताने जा रहे हैं। लास्ट दो वीडियो में फर्स्ट वीडियो कोनिक सेक्शन में हमने सर्किल, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द सर्किल एंड एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम्स बताया है, एंड सेकेंड वीडियो में पैराबोला का कॉन्सेप्ट एंड सम प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ पैराबोला। अब ये जो थर्ड पार्ट है आपका, इसमें रिमेनिंग प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द पैराबोला and perhaps we will study the basic concept of ellipse. So see remaining problem of exercise 11.2. I am taking here question number 6. According to your 6 questions, find the coordinate of the focus, axis of the parabola, the equation of the dialectics and the length of the latus rectum. If we are given the equation of the parabola x square is equal to minus 9y, and we are given x square is equal to minus 9y, so according to this equation, it is in the form of x square is equal to minus 4ay. On this way, we draw a figure at the axis of this parabola will be negative y-axis and focus is equal to 0 minus a. By comparing the given equation from x square equal to minus 4ay, we have minus 4ay equal to minus 9y, and hence the value of a equal to 9 by 4. On this way, we will get coordinate of the focus is 0 minus a. So 0, minus 9 by 4. And equation of the dialectics is equal to y equal to a. It is formula. So the value of a equal to 9 by 4. It is equations of the dialectics, and the length of the latus rectum is equal to 4a. After putting the value of a 9 by 4, we will get 4. Thus, the answer of these questions are respectively axis of y, negative y axis, coordinate of the focus 0 minus 9 by 4, and equation of the dialectics y equal to 9 by 4, and the length of the latus rectum is equal to 4. Now, next question number 10. Here 7 up to 12, it means we are given find the equation, add question saying here find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given coordinates, given conditions. Here, as we are given in question number 10, vertex 0, 0, focus minus 2, 0. Vertex 0, 0 and focus minus 2, 0. It means axis will be here negative x-axis. On this way, this equation will be equal to here as y square is equal to minus 4ax. Y square equal to minus 4ax. And this way, after putting the value of a equal to 2, we get the required equation of the parabola will be here y square equal to minus 8x. Now see your next problem. It means last problem of exercise 11.2, and we are given vertex 0, 0 and passing through the point 5, 2, and also it is given symmetric with respect to y-axis. So, hence as the given information, the axis along y-axis, it is passing through 5, 2, like in the first coordinate. So, the parabola is of the form of x square is equal to 4ay, and as given it is passing through 5, 2. So putting the value of x equal to 5 and y equal to 2, we have get the value of a equal to 52 by 8, and putting the value of a in first equation, we get the required equation of the parabola x square is equal to 52 by y. It is the answer of this question. Now, our next topic, ellipse. Ellipse What is the definition of ellipse? The definition of ellipse: an ellipse is the set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points. These two fixed points are known as foci. Fixed points in the plane is a constant. That is, here if we have in the plane respectively, we are taking 3 points P1, P2, P3. That according to definition of the ellipse, P1 F1 plus P1 F2 is equal to P2 F1 plus P2 F2 is also equal to P3 F1 plus P3 F2. यहाँ पर जैसे हमने P1, P2, P3 प्लेन पर 3 पॉइंट्स लिया और डेफिनेशन हमने इसकी डायरेक्ट डेफिनेशन हमने इसका एक्सप्लेन किया कि इलिप्स क्या है आपका। इलिप्स किसी प्लेन पर उन पॉइंट्स का सेट है जो प्लेन में यदि पॉइंट्स लिए जाए तो इन फोकी से इनके सम का जो डिस्टेंस है अनदर पॉइंट के सम के डिस्टेंसेस के इक्वल होता है। ये दोनों फिक्स्ड पॉइंट आपके फोकी कहलाते हैं। फोकी इज द वर्ड फॉर प्लूरल ऑफ द फोकस एंड मिड पॉइंट इन लाइन सेगमेंट का सेंटर ऑफ द इलिप्स रहेगा। नाउ फॉर नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट we should know what is the standard equation of ellipse. सबसे पहले अब आपको ये जानना चाहिए कि इलिप्स का स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन क्या है। तो यहाँ पर जैसे हमने दो फोकी के कोऑर्डिनेट -c0 और c0 एलॉन्ग टू एक्स एक्सिस दिया। ये आपका मेजर एक्सिस है और ये आपका माइनर एक्सिस है। ए और बी आपके वर्टेक्स हैं। सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू वर्टेक्स विल बी हियर 2a एंड बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इलिप्स स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स आपका ये है x² बाई a² प्लस y² बाई b² इक्वल टू 1। अब इसका डेरिवेशन आप करने जा रहे हैं। इसके डेरिवेशन के लिए हमने क्या सपोज किया कि हियर लेट pxy be any point on the plane, it means ellipse, then by the definitions we know that pf1 plus pf2 is equal to 2a। ये जो आपका डेफिनेशंस के अकॉर्डिंग प्लेन P में जो पॉइंट है आपका xy pf1 plus pf2 is equal to 2a। After this, using the distance formula, we have x plus c whole square plus y square plus x minus c whole square plus y square equal to 2a. Now, after transfer of the second term and squaring both sides, we have x plus c whole square plus y square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square formula हमने अप्लाई किया। y square will be cancelled to each other. Now transfer x minus c and x plus c whole square on the same sides and it is also minus 4a square is equal to minus 4a x minus c whole square plus y square। सिंप्लीफिकेशन हमने किया तो we get 4xc minus 4a square equal to minus 4a, dividing both sides minus 4a by and again squaring, we get the next term is equal to c square by a square x square plus a square minus 2cx। 2a का फार्मूला आपने अप्लाई कर दिया। यहाँ भी हमने फार्मूला अप्लाई किया। 2cx will be cancelled to each other on the both sides having the same term and taking x square in bracket after transfer this term on the RHS, we have x square in bracket 1 minus c square by a square plus y square equal to a square minus c square। Now simplify next term, we have here x square in bracket a square minus c square divided by a square plus y square equal to a square minus c square। Since a square minus c square is not equal to 0, so dividing both sides by a square minus a square, we have x square by a square plus y square by a square minus c square is equal to 1। And we know that the relation between a, b, c and c square equal to a square minus b square, that is b square equal to a square minus a square. Putting the value in the places of a square minus c square is equal to b square, we get the standard equation of ellipse। So the standard equation of Phillips is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is semi major axis B and it is semi minor axis and it is not semi major axis. That is here a greater than b and the major axis as in the figure, if we making as here minus a 0 and here a 0, then it is equal to twice a, and here semi minor axis is equal to 2b. Now अब एक्चुअल यहाँ पर देखो, सबसे पहले अब हम बताने जा रहे हैं कि रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ए, ये सेमी मेजर एक्सेस है, सेमी माइनर एक्सेस बी एंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ द फोकी फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द इलिप्स। ये जैसे अब आपका हमने क्या किया कि एक मेजर एक्सेस का पॉइंट जैसे ये ए है और ये बी हमने लिया, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ बी दिया है a0, so OB is equal to small a. Then let a point B at one end of the major axis. Then F1B here, F1B it is equal to C plus F1B plus F2B equal to F1O plus OB plus F2B. Add in figure there and putting the value of F1O, it is equal to आपका C and the value of OB is equal to A and F2B is equal to A minus C. So C will be cancelled to each other and we have the value of F1B plus F2B is equal to 2A, taking as a equation first. Now take a point another Q on the minor axis, then we have the distance from Q to the foci F1Q plus F2Q. Here it is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, the distance of QC is equal to root over b square plus c square. It is also b square plus c square. So F1Q plus F2Q is equal to twice root over b square plus c square is equation second. And now next, by the definition of ellipse, since B and Q both are lies on the ellipse, then both will be equal to each other. So from equation first and second, we get twice root over b square plus c square is equal to 2a. 2 will be cancelled to each other, and after squaring, we get b square plus c square is equal to a square, or the value of c equal to root over a square minus b square. Here a is the semi major axis and B is the semi minor axis and C0 minus C0 are respectively the coordinate of the foci, or we also say that OF1 is equal to C. Thanks.